Good day. We are here to present our project proposal entitled A Smart Refrigerator Monitors Expiration Dates Using RC522, 16x2 LCD, and DS3231 sensors. Description: This project aims to reduce food waste in households by implementing a smart refrigerator system. The system uses RFID tags and sensors to track food items, monitor expiration dates, and alert users using 16x2 LCD and buzzer when items are nearing its expiration. This helps users to consume food before it spoils, minimizing food waste. Material list. Number 1. Arduino Uno acts as the main controller of the system. Number 2. RFID reader, used to scan RFID tags attached to food items. Number 3. RFID tags. These are small electronic labels attached to food items. Each tag contains a unique ID that the system uses to track the item's expiration date. Number 4. LCD display, serve as the visual output of the system. Number 5. RTC, keeps accurate date and time even when the Arduino is powered off. Number 6. Buzzer, provides audible alerts when food items are nearing or have reached their expiration date. Number 7. Wires, used to connect all components in the circuit. First, the system will initialize RFID reader and RTC. Second, scan the RFID tags in food packaging. Next, the system will analyze the RFID tag in the food packaging and determine whether the food is expiring or not. Is there any food nearing its expiration? If no, the system will continue to monitor. If yes, the system will compare to current date. And after that, the system also analyzes that if the food will expire in 3 days. If yes, the system will activate the 16x2 LCD to provide a warning. If no, the system will continue to monitor. Next, the system will analyze again. Was the food eaten? If yes, the system will continue to monitor other foods. If no, it will analyze again. Is the food going to expire in the next 24 hours? If no, the system will continue to monitor. If yes, the system will activate 16x2 LCD display and buzzer to notify the owner. As you can see in our circuit diagram, we manipulated some of the coding because we couldn't find a suitable website for creating a circuit diagram that includes an RFID reader and tag. Therefore, we decided to first demonstrate how the LCD and buzzer work. For the first 5 seconds, the LCD will display port is expiring. For the next 5 seconds, the LCD will display use port ASAP and the buzzer will be activated. For the third 5 seconds, the LCD will display item consumed and the buzzer will stop. This is for when the item is consumed. If it's not, then the buzzer will continue to activated to notify the owner. This is the coding pre-uploaded to the Arduino that controls sensors and other components in our system. First, we include 4 libraries. The first one is wire.h, enables communication via the I2C protocol. It is used by the LCD and RTC. The second one is liquid crystal. It controls the 16x2 LCD through I2C. The third one is MFRC522.h. It allows readings RFID tags using the MFRC522 module. And the last one is RTC Lib.h. Interface with the DS3231 RTC to track real time. Next, we initialize the LCD module with I2C address. This allows us to control it by using simple commands like lcd.print. Next, we define all the pins connected to our components. On RFID module, we have SS pin on digital pin 10 or slave select for SPI communication. Next, RST pin on digital pin 9, reset pin for RFID module, and for the buzzer, it's on digital pin 8. Next, for the item data structure, we have struct item or structure item. It defines a data type to store each food's items, RFID, UID, and expiration dates. Items, a list of items with specific RFID tag, UID, with expiration date. Item count automatically counts the total number of items in the list. Now, for the setup function, initialize communication with all devices. Serial.begin, start serial monitor. SPI.begin, set up SPI for RFID. RTC.begin, start the RTC clock. LCD.init plus LCD.backlight, turn on LCD. And next, set up buzzer pin as output. Then, before our system start, it will show a message that smart fridge system ready for 2 seconds, then clear the screen. Now, for the main loop, our system continuously run after setups. Also, our system uses millis or millisecond as system time to check every 5 seconds for display updates. Now, for the message cycle in our system, every 5 seconds, the LCD alternates between two messages. Perk expiring or use perk ASAP plus activates buzzer for 5 seconds. After that, displays item consumed for 3 seconds, then repeats the cycle. This part simulates a real-time alert cycle. Next, RFID readings. Builds the UID string of scan tag. Converts it to uppercase for comparison. And then check if the UID matches any stored item. This purpose detects if a new RFID card or tag is scanned. For the significance of our project, the smart fridge with FRD expiration monitoring system is designed to help households and businesses efficiently manage food storage, minimize waste, and ensure food safety. By integrating RFID technology, real-time clock or RTC, LCD display, and a buzzer alert system, the project provides an intelligent way to track expiration dates and alert users before food spoils.